We're going to give you multiple weapons on how to use the switch kick. Not only multiple weapons, but different ways of setting them up, different strategies to use to implement that switch kick. And we're going to give you a drill that improves your accuracy with that left kick. We know that you're going to enjoy this, so pay attention. Here we go. Let's cook. Tabernacle, you ready?
Yes.
My man Red. It's a couple ways that you can use the left kick. Some people like to aim at the arms. Some people like to aim at the body. It all depends on your opponent. If the opponent has a more boxing style and they're protecting their ribs, you're going to aim for the outside of the arm or kick for the wham, kick to the outside of the arm. Very good. If your opponent or your partner is exposing the ribs, you can use your switch kick to the body. I'm exposing my ribs. Bang. Very nice. Up, yang. Very good. So those are two different types of switch kicks that you can use depending upon your opponent's defense. Okay, one of them is higher, one of them is lower. Which one you like better?
Higher.
You like the higher one? Why?
Because it's easier to land.
It's easier to land. So the left kick can be used in those 2 points, the body or the arm. Try both of them out and let us know which one works better for you. I like the arm also. When I do my arm kick, I'm not really hard as I can. No. It's just a quick one. Bang, and then back down. Move, touch, and straight from here. Open, touch, down. Up, down. You want to return that switch kick down just as fast as it goes up. So now let's go over a few counters to the counter of the switch kick. I've seen people do this move. They do this catch. If you're fighting someone and they use that underhook grab, so easy to stop. All you do is the switch kick pullback. All right, so snatch it back, Tito. Wham, that's all you do. Again, there you go. Snatch it, that's all you do. That's what you're gonna do to stop that underhook grab. So now that you learn a counter to the counter of the switch kick, we're gonna go over some special combinations for the switch kick. The first one is the switch kick. Boom, we know that's coming, bang. Once you sell that switch kick, you switch again, you drag the foot, then you switch kick. You're gonna do your switch kick, easy, bam, bang, bang, switch, drag, the foot, the heel doesn't go on the ground, then you spring. It's gonna be straight leg, hip is open, then body kick. You ready, Tito?
Yes.
Let's give it to him fast. Wham. Shop, very good. One thing I want you to do also, make sure you're protecting your face. When I'm doing my switch, I don't want to just, he's gonna bang, 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 hook, head kick, whatever. But you have to really set it like you're doing your switch kick. So this like, boop, here, boom, I'm protected. This protects me from anything. And you're gonna be off the line. So make sure that lead hand is up protecting, chin is down, and then you throw it. All right, one more time, Tito. Wham, good. Bop, there you go, very nice. The third technique that you're about to learn to add to your switch kick is very simple also. It's the switch to the teep. It's very simple. Switch kick, bang. As soon as I come down, I do the teep. One more time. You're not going to go back to orthodox. I switch kick, bang. My hips are already open, just like I'm going to throw another switch kick. You bring the foot up, not straight to the teep, but bring it up like a kick. Then you teep. Ready to show them quick?
Yes.
Tabernacle, here we go. Yeah, there you go. Teep, there you go. Stop. There we go. There we go. Pop. Teep, good. Very nice. So those were a couple of techniques that you can use when you're aiming for the arm. How to trick your opponents. When they're expecting that switch kick, you give them that one. When their guard is high, okay, we're aiming for the arm. Now we're going to teach you about kicking to the body. With this one, make sure to open up your hip a little bit more. With the first one, it's a speed kick, so it's just a quick one. Wham! With this one, you really want to focus on turning. When you try this during your training, put it in your mind, I'm going to really turn my hip over. It's a really wham! I barely touched him. I could put him through the wall if I wanted to. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to open up the hip all the way. Your heel is going to be facing your opponent. Remember, the more you turn that lead foot, the harder the shot's gonna be. So faster, pop, just a little bit. Bam! Power, all the way. Kick through, wham! Right through his body. So with this move, it's about setting up your power and baiting them in. You're gonna be on your back foot, they're coming in, and from there, from the back foot, from the back position, that's where you're going. Boom, he's already walking forward. and you bang, you blast them, push them back. That's the key, to try to push them back with that shin bone. Remember, you're not going high because you're stepping backwards anyway. You're going to be off balance. Okay, I'm going backwards. I try to kick up. I'm going to be off balance. I come forward, around waist level. This is my waist. That's where you kick from. Boom! Waist level. Turn. And add that cut down. Turn the hip. Open the hip. This left arm is going to cut. Wham! That's going to add that power. Ready? Yes. Tabernacle. That's what you got, Toothpick. You got something for me? Scared, Mom? That's it. Very nice. Good. That's going to put somebody down. Accident man. What you got, Toothpick? Bait them in. Look at the back foot. Back foot is cocked like a pistola. Ma. He's baiting them in. Bam! Beautiful. Get them backwards. You notice he's not kicking high to the arm. He's going right to the body. So even if they try to grab that kick, it's so much force behind it because you're opening up the hip. You're making sure that you're turning over and you whipping that arm. Even if they try to grab it, it's going to push them backwards. So this is the heavy bag routine that we promised that you can use in your solo workouts. The key here is about distance, timing, and above all, having fun. People sleep on bag work because it can be a little bit monotonous, but it's the most effective when it comes to learning your timing and your distance. Bag work, sparring and bag work, that really helps out a lot. One thing I want you guys to work on is to learn how to do it from the standstill. The square position also, meaning that if this is my opponent, I'm not going to be standing like this. You know, definitely not, because of leg kicks. I'm not going to be too much here. No, head kick, body kick, I can't block from here. I want you to learn how to do it from the square stance. So your belly button's going to be facing the bag. I'm in my position. If the bag had legs, I could block from here. Boom. If it tried to inside leg kick, I could block from here. If it tried to high kick, I can lean back. If you try to teep, I can move. All right, I can do everything from this position and I'm squared, not this way. Oh, I can't block his rear kick. How? I can't stop the teep. How? You want to make sure that you're squared to the bag and that you're getting this kick up and down fast as you can. Put a little bit of sauce on it though, okay? Sauce, that's what I mean. Sauce, boom, look, bang, move, and then wham, fast as you can. Add that quick speed to it. Bop, bop, and then you, boom. That's what you do first. What you got, Toothpick? Make it fast like a trigger hair. Wham! Ooh, that's slow. Slower than molasses. What you got, Toothpick? I know you got more than that. Up. Good. Back to balance. Up, square, up, move. He not expecting it. Wham! Beautiful. Outstanding. We want you to practice how fast can you get it up and down. Try to give a little movement. See what he does. He didn't move. He didn't move again, so I know I'm going to be clear to kick. Pop, he didn't hesitate, he didn't flinch. Wham! Up this, just like that. Go back to balance. Move. Wham! Back to balance. Another technique that you're going to use to improve your switch kick is the double switch kick. This is going to improve not only the speed, the balance, but it's also going to improve your power. This is what I don't want to see, guys. Switch kick, or no. You want to make two precise switch kicks back to back. So when you're starting off, you don't have to really worry about speed because we understand it takes practice. But practice perfect with precision will protect you. Touching, bop, switch, bomb. Back. Bomb, then go down. Make sure you're doing precise. Wham, back behind you, not in front of you, not parallel. Behind you again, hips stay open. Then side, bomb. What you got, Toothpick? Oh, female. Yep, very not balanced. Not bad. But female. Yep, there we go. Now, the last technique that we're going to give you, it's all about the. So that's only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description. And to get dripped out with us with KMA apparel and Muay Thai training gear, just hit that shop link in our pinned comment in the description. If you want more Muay Thai tutorials on our channel, all you have to do is click this video right here. It's going to give you our full playlist that we know that you're going to enjoy.